Daniel Gillies is a Canadian born New Zealand actor, film producer, director, and screenwriter. He was born in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, to parents from New Zealand. When he was 5, his parents decided to return to their native New Zealand and moved to Invercargill and then to Hamilton. Though born into a family of a strong medical background, he became interested in acting because he said it was the only thing I was ever any good at. Frustrated with the lack of opportunities in New Zealand, he moved to Sydney, Australia for 6 weeks in 2001 before going to Canada for 2 months, where he worked as a writer and dishwasher until deciding to move to Los Angeles, USA. He joined the Auckland Theatre Company as a young man and appeared in many of their productions. Gillis married American actress Rachel Leigh Cook on 8 August 2004. Together, they have a daughter, Carlotta, born in September 2013, and a son, Theodora, born in April 2015. In 13 June 2019, both Cook and Gillis announced on Instagram that they mutually decided to separate, and they also said that they wanted it to be as discreet as possible for the sake of their kids. On 10 July 2020, Gillis filed for divorce from Cook. Their divorce was finalized on 10 March 2021. In December 2020, Gillis introduced his girlfriend Julia Misaki on social media. Misaki is a professional cellist, a music teacher, and a model. In 2013, CW created a successful spin-off of the originals, chronicling the lives of the first vampires. Gills, once a recurring part as Elijah from the Vampire Diaries, became a lead part in the originals. A potential nightmare existed for CW since Gills was already under contract to play Dr. Joel Goran in the supernatural series Saving Hope. Saving Hope initially aired in the US on NBC, but the series was not renewed, although it continued to run in Canada. He continued both shows. In 2012, Gillis wrote, directed, and started with wife Rachel Leigh Cook in Broken Kingdom. Gillis began his career starring in several Auckland Theatre Company productions before landing a 2-season lead role in the television drama Street Legal. After deciding that his acting options in his native New Zealand were limited, Gillis explored his options in Sydney and Canada. Gillis then moved to Los Angeles and was soon cast in the movies Bride and Prejudice and Spider-Man 2. Since 2002, Gillis has worked in Canadian and American film and television, at times simultaneously. Before landing lead roles in television series, Gillis landed guest spots on television shows such as Masters of Horror, NCIC, and True Blood. In 2010, he was cast on the hit The CW drama The Vampire Diaries as Eliza Michelson. He played the small role of John Jameson, the fiance of Kristen Dunst's character Mary Jane Watson.